See next concept. We discussed about test object methods. Now try to concentrate. I want to create the script to perform the insert operation in the flight reservation application. This is the flight reservation application. That is the basis script. I will go to the first here. To perform insert operation. If I go for record, activate flight reservation window, select new order option, enter data of flight, select value in flight from list box, value in flight to list box, click on flights button, click on OK, enter customer name, select the first class, click on insert order button, stop record. This is the basis script I created to perform the insert operation. After that, once insert operation completed, you will get some order number here, new order number. I want to read that order number. New order number. So n equal to, first add that object information to the object repository. Okay. So window flight reservation dot win edit of order number dot get RO property of text. Then I want to take the snapshot of the flight reservation window also. Capture bitmap, flight reservation dot bmp, then reporter dot report event MIC pass booking a flight tickets. Then new order number is so n. The next argument, the snapshot also I want to pass to test result window. Flight reservation dot bm, the temporary file. Okay. If I run my script, will I get the snapshot or not? You observe that. A new order number I am going to get or not. Now see that one. If I go for test result window, what is the new order number I got here? 43. Now view, expand all, booking a flight. You got the order number here? Showing here? No. Why? Order number is not there. Once again you observe my here. If I run my script, so QTP execution is completed. So still my application is doing the insert operation. If you observe the test result window, when QTP read the value from the edit box at that level, so how the application state is, you observe that here. How the application is, just it is started insert operation. So QTP has to wait some time to read the value. After click on insert order button, there is no value displayed here. It has to wait some time to read the value which is displayed in this order number. So I want to say wait some time until the process completes. This is the concept where we are going to call synchronization. This is called synchronization. So what is the synchronization? The time mapping between execution time of QTP to elapsed time of the application is called synchronization. So time mapping between execution time of QTP to elapsed time of application is called synchronization. So what is that elapsed time means? Time taken by the application to complete specific transaction. In which scenarios we have to go for the synchronization. When application performing some backend transactions like insert, update, delete operation, application will take some time. Just to wait. When application opens sub window or page, when you click a link to load the page, some time it's going to take. In that case, during application launching time. So when you go for the system.in, iexplore.exe, so readmail.given, execution time, it will take some time to load that page. Okay, that is the application launching time. To reach status bar 100% color field. Like this, if I do any transaction here like this, so to reach status bar 100% color field. During process, we can't do any operation on your application. Okay. QTP also wait some time for that. So this type of scenario scripts are there. Before going to execute other portion of script, we have to go for the synchronization. So what are the possibilities are there? Using following options, we can synchronize test execution. One is wait. Using this statement, we can pass execution fixed time. The syntax is wait time in seconds. That means here, after click on insert order button, I want to say that wait. So wait, you can say that 10 seconds. Now see my here. Now if you see test result window, we're going to get the order number output. View, expand all, booking a flight. Now you got the order number. Okay. But once again we observe that even the process completed, my QTP is going to wait there only. If 10 seconds are completed, then only it going to continue the execution. There is delay, there execution when I go for the wait. Instead of that, the better one, I can say like this. So wait, after click on insert order button, wait until delete order button is enabled or update order button is enabled. Because before insert operation, those objects are disabled. After insert operation, those objects are enabled. Now I want to say to the QTP here, wait until the delete order button is enabled. Okay. Or if I go for status bar, what is the text is there here? Insert done. Before insert operation, it looks like this. Now I can say the condition to the QTP here. After click on insert order button, wait until my status bar text is insert done. The property base I can pass my execution. Okay. So how we can go for that? This is the option we are going to call synchronization. Synchronization point or wait property method we are going to call. Synchronization point or wait property method. In this option, we can pass execution based on application object property value as reference. I give an example, create synchronization point based on status bar text property value as insert to done. I give a navigation how to create it. Now select the position where you want to insert the synchronization point. Then go to recording, insert menu, we have the synchronization point. Go to synchronization point, click on this status bar. It is also in ActiveX control, click on OK. So which property base do you want to pass? You select the text. What is the property value you are expecting? Insert done with 3 dots. How much time maximum you want to wait? Maybe 20,000 milliseconds. 20 seconds of time I give. Okay. Now see that this is the synchronous point generator. Window flight reservation dot ActiveX thread panel control dot wait property text insert done. Double quote. outputs. Then 20,000 milliseconds of time. Let me simplify it. Flight reservation I go for as an F1. Like this. I given more time. If I run my script here, it won't wait. Once the properties reaches, it continues the script execution. Even though given 20 seconds. You see that output we got or not here. What is the new order number we got? 47. No? We got 47 or not? This is what the synchronization point. Now here timeout parameter is an optional. If I am not given timeout parameter, still my QTP is going to wait 20 seconds maximum time. You see that? I am not given here. If I run it is. Is going to wait. So now why it is going to wait? I am not given timeout parameter. If you see file menu, settings, run. There is something they given here. What is that? Object synchronize timeout 20 seconds. Not only at this point of time here. Now if application like this, QTP not able to activate the flight reservation only. If I have the pop-up window. If I run it is, so error message has to give. Immediately it won't give the error message. First 20 seconds it going to wait, then only it going to give the error message for us. So now we got an error message here. So now I'm not interested with that much time. You can go to the test settings, go to the run. You can set the timeout parameter only one here, 1 second. Now you observe that within 1 second you will get error message or not. 1 second. That's the default time they given, the time it is going to use. Every new test by default it is going to be 20 seconds. Even though you change it in this test, next test if you go it is 20 seconds it is. Like this. Okay. That is the global synchronization timeout parameter we are going to call. Okay. It is a default time given in QTP as 20 seconds. During runtime, if QTP not able to perform operation on specified application object, or in synchronization point if timeout parameter not specified, then QTP use global synchron timeout before providing runtime error message. Okay. Where we can change this is based on requirement, we can configure default timeout parameter in test settings. This is the navigation I given. Now here my intention, I want to know that how much time my QTP is taking for execution of this script. If I go for test and result window, the total execution time I are going to get run started, run ended. But this time, not total script, only this block of statements to execute, how much time it is taken, I want to know it is. For the purpose, they are given transaction points. So, two transaction points they are given. Start transaction. So, go to insert menu, start transaction, demo. Click on OK. Up to which statement? There you have to specify the end transaction. Start transaction and end transaction should have the same name. End transaction. Same name you have to give. Now if I run it, If I go for test result window, runtime data test result window, go to the view menu, expand all. So start transaction. When it is started, there is an end transaction when you select this one. So how much time it is taken to execute that block of statements means 2.1520 seconds. Like that we can get the timeout parameter execution time. Same way if you want to find how much time it is taken at this synchronization point. I want to know that how much time my QTP is waiting at this synchronization point. I will go for the, before this I can go for the start transaction, sample. Here also I go for the end transaction. How to insert that? Save the position, insert menu, end transaction, sample, okay. Now if I run it, it's waiting there. If I go for test result window, a view, expand all, start transaction, when it started, end transaction. What is the time it is taken? 5.0504 seconds of time it's taken. Now the question is here, how much time your application is taking to complete the insert operation? How much time? That means once you click on insert order button to display insert done message, 5.05 seconds taken. There is a time or not? That is the performance of the application. This is called the transaction points purpose. Using transaction points, we can estimate some portion of script execution time, and also we can estimate performance of application for one user transactions. Okay. There are two types of transaction points. One is start transaction, other one is end transaction. Start transaction, this transaction point we insert in the script from which statement we need to estimate the execution time. How to insert? The navigation I given here. Same end transaction. This transaction point we insert in the script up to which statement QTP need to calculate execution time. So navigation here I given. So but make sure start and end transaction should have the same name. Whatever script I shown to you here, that script I given here. As an example, create script to perform booking of flight transaction and read a new order number and also estimate performance application for the transaction using transaction points. Okay. So this is about the test object methods, synchronization points and transaction points. That is the concepts. Okay.